Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another video about the Anet ET4x. I've got one over here printing this counting ring that I want to make for where I climb stairs, but I'm going to take the other one and I'm going to print that calibration cube so we can see just how similar the results are. So my friends, let's get cracking. Alright, so real quickly, we're using the 0.15 settings. You can see that the layer height and everything is set pretty much to its defaults. 205 for the temp, 60 for the build plate. We're doing 60 for the speed. Actually, it came at 50, so I'm going to back it up to what it comes with instead of what I've been using. And then we're going to do a skirt, 4 lines and 10 millimeters away. And remember, this one is not connected, so I'm going to actually save it to the removable disc, take it over, and plug it in from there. Alrighty, friends, they are both ET4Xs. This, of course, is going to print with a card. I also just swapped the filament. I had PETG. The other time we used purple. This time we're using some GEE tech. It is PLA, just like the other printer is. But if the results are way different, maybe we switch to the purple so we're using the exact same filament as well. So let's get to the controller and get this thing started. Alright, friends, it is moment of truth time. First, let's bust out the caliber, fire it up, zero it up, pull off our print. Once again, when the bed cools, they do lose a lot of temperature. And let's measure X first. Alright, with this filament, X is coming in at 20.16. Let's check Y. This printer's coming in at 20.18. And we'll make sure I've got this right again, so we're measuring up either Y or X, and 19.6. So that's pretty similar. Alright, friends, so now we've used two different Anet ET4Xs. We've got different results. One was a little bit under, one was a little bit over. Both of them, when it went up Z, were a little bit short of the perfect calibration cube. But both are printing pretty darn well, and I don't think there's a way we can adjust these anyway. I don't see anywhere that we can send steps. I used an M503 command while I was using Pronterface. It doesn't send back any code, so I'm not able to figure out what the actual steps are set on this printer right now. And realistically, for what I'm doing, it is turning out about as good as I would expect for a $200 printer. So my friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.